Snow day. Remember the last time we had a white Christmas?
Oh, I have a juicy question for you.
Oh my god, it's insane. It's literally negative something. I think we would have definitely had a snow day.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we fading. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out.
What is this snack combo right now?
You guys have the barbecue
What
burrito.
is this?
It's a buffalo.
Cheese ball.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was buffalo chicken dip.
Townhouse pita chips and what the hell are these?
Barbecue burrito.
Chili cheese Doritos. If I ate that,
that's aesthetic.
like, it's not aesthetic. It's that home aesthetic.
Work hard, play hard, baby.
Tanner, say hi to my vlog.
What's up, vlog? Have you seen the Call Her Daddy yet, TK?
Yes, we talked about this. Your body is a wonderland. Did I sound like him?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Philip, you literally look like your high school self.
Like young?
Yeah, like look at his outfit.
The outfit?
Give me a top 5 chip. Top 5 chips.
Oh, this is a good thing for my vlog.
Nacho cheese Doritos, probably the OGs.
No, Cool Ranch.
I'm a Cool Ranch guy. Is that number 1? Is that your 1? Where were you dropping, Tanner?
We're going to Brutal Back Home.
All right.
Okay, Cool Ranch Doritos.
Throw like some type of
Sun chips, Loki, I love.
Sun chips, the tomato or the garden salsa.
Hot take, dude.
Okay.
You gotta throw at least tortilla chips on the 5.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're
with a
classic,
hint of lime.
Versatile.
Hint of
Can't go
lime.
wrong with those.
Cheddar Ruffles, bro.
Stop, bro.
You would. You get that nasty dust all over your fingers.
You're the type of guy to start sucking on his fingers.
Yeah, I know. You're the type of guy that starts sucking underneath your nail. Oh, I have a hot take. Salt and vinegar.
Those are fire.
Pringles.
Wow. The thing with Pringles is
Are pretzels a chip?
No.
wow. No.
It's a pretzel.
Let's get ready for the day. Slay. So today's very exciting because basically it's a motherfucking snow day, yet I still need to run some errands before Christmas. When I go to Starbucks, like there's a bunch of things that my mom and I need to do. So I'm gonna get suited up for the snow. And I have no idea what I'm going to wear. Probably this maybe, this sweater, or maybe I'll wear this tonight. I'm going to an IU game tonight too. So I can wear this coat with, I don't know, leggings. The shirt I'm wearing underneath, maybe. I get an Instagram photo for Princess Polly today. This coat is like, it's warm, but it's like low-key not warm enough for the temp right now. It's like below 0. The wind chill's like -40. It's insanity. Let's see how this looks. Okay, kind of a vibe. I don't hate this. Especially to be like running around shopping in. Cute. Get ready with me for a snowstorm.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up.
I genuinely can't remember the last time that I woke up to like snow all over everywhere. Even like, I can't remember the last time we had a white Christmas. And it's supposed to just keep snowing more and more and more. Like literally the whole town is talking about it. We were supposed to go up to Indianapolis tonight to be with our friends, but that's not happening because the snow's so bad and all of the businesses are closed except for like the mall and stuff. LA people would be passing out about the amount of snow we got last night.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words should be, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves.
This is the like
15-minute makeup look. So Paul, I have a juicy question for you.
What's the juicy question?
I want to cordially invite you to a very exciting night with me.
Okay.
And I want you to be my hot date to the Indiana basketball game tonight, if you want.
Yeah, I'll go. Wait, I feel bad. I just went with Phil.
Well, I'm allowed.
You're not going?
I'm allowed to bring a friend.
Let's go. My other friend.
And all my friends are out of town. So I was like, why don't I bring a hot date? So Paul.
Let's go. Yeah, I'll go.
Let's go. Phil's so hyped. Yay!
We're going on a date. We're going on a date.
With my brother and my dad, of course. So you need to make sure you're nice to my dad.
I know.
He literally told Philip, he goes, you cannot invite a friend. It's Taylor's turn.
That's fair.
Shout out to Phil for taking my Princess Polly photo. It's about drive. It's about power. It's cold. It's cold as shit. Okay, I'm thinking like over here. Oh my God, it's freezing!
Yes, sir, Phil. Keep it up.
Oh my God, it's insane. It's literally negative something. Oh my God.
It's zero.
I feel like I just did a cold plunge. Phil's hand was like this.
I know, that's what I would be.
Palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over. Blow. Snap back to reality.
Oh, it goes. Oh, it goes.
Why are you looking like that, bro?
Oh my God. You look like him. You look like Eminem. Freezing. Hello, Mom. We are headed to town. Aren't we, Mom?
Sound like we're country girls.
I mean, we basically are, if I'm just being the most honest, you know? Look at this guy out here getting his mail. Look how forking snowy it is, you guys. It looks awesome, but it's really cold. 3 degrees?
Yeah.
Pretty sure the wind chill is like under.
We've been driving way too fast down this 2-lane street. Windows down, your feet, yeah, they're hanging on now. The wind has got you. We're just free falling fools in route nowhere. From Los Angeles singing.
So, fun fact, our Panera has a drive-thru, but it's closed right now, I think because it's so cold. So we're gonna go inside because Mama is hungry and would like a soup and a sandwich. Not me literally putting on gloves to go into Panera. Anyway, Mom, show us your mittens. They're so cute. The Olympic mittens. Was this when they were in Vancouver? Yeah.
Yep.
20 what? 2010?
2010.
That's crazy. I think we would have definitely had a snow day. Don't you think, Mom?
Yeah.
Today. Did you guys have snow days growing up? I want to know. Because I know Alicia and Ashley, like, the concept of getting a snow day is insane to them. But to me, it's like so normal and obviously so lit when you get a snow day. I ended up getting a pick 2. Mom wasn't hungry. She got a blueberry muffin though. Oh, and I got 2 of the cinnamon crunch bagels because those are the best. Oh my gosh, it's toasted. I want a little bite of this right now. Oh my God. I haven't had one of these in forever. You know what? I'm gonna just put some of this cream cheese on here and have it. Is Starbucks even open? Let's go to the bookstore. Us trying to find something to do right now because we can't do anything because there's a snowstorm. Phil's getting a surprise. Close your eyes. Open.
Wow.
Those are the best, what's called bagels.
Aren't they the best?
Did you get some
Cream cheese. Yeah, I did.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay, guys. I'm going to the IU game. This is what I'm wearing. IU hat, Ralph Lauren sweater, long sleeve shirt underneath from Amazon Style, Burberry trench, because I don't have a real coat here, Converse, leggings. Call it a day. Go Hueys! Slay!
Can't stop when we start, we gon' get it done. Start when we stop, we gon' get it done. Get it when we start, we gon' get it done. Start when we stop, we gon' get it done. We gon' get it. We gon' get it. Hey, ahead of my time and that's a race against my past. Whenever they clock me, that's 2000 on the dash. When it kinda tickles me and every day I laugh. Yeah, you know we number one and you don't need to ask. I can imagine, feel like I'm a greyhound looking at a rabbit. Finish line so close, I reach out and grab it. I only look back just to look at your reaction. Can't stop when we start, we get done. Take no days off, we number one. Laser beats kicks, and we run like this. We gon' get it done.